Hey everyone, Christina here from Combat Off-Road. I have an unboxing for you guys of our new Off-the-Turnbuckle hood latches. These are in raw, so we have your part number 99-1190. Let's open these up and I'll show you what they look like. I'll get that after. So our machine billet is now all in raw, and our faceplate still has our logo and everything, and with that awesome stainless steel turnbuckle. These look amazing. So I currently have them on our Jeep JL here. Now this one covers all your models of your Jeep JK, your Jeep JL, and your Jeep Gladiator. We will have a full instruction video coming soon of these. So can't wait to see these on your Jeep.